Prasad, physics teacher. Good morning, my dear students. Today I will explain chapter Eat. Today discuss about topics explain about melting and explain about freezing. Let's start the class. What is meant by melting? What is meant by melting? Okay, this definition, the pace change from solid to liquid is called melting. Okay, solid to liquid is called melting. This is definition. I am wrote the definition. See the definition. What is meant by melting? The pace change from solid to liquid is called melting. Okay, solid to liquid is called melting. This is definition. For example, take a beaker. This is beaker. Take a beaker with ice cubes. With ice cubes. This is ice cubes. Okay, ice cubes is ice cubes solid. Ice cube solid. After 30 minutes, ice cubes convert to water. Ice cube convert to water. Okay, liquid example, water. Liquid example, water. Okay, what is the definition melting? The phase changes from solid to liquid is called melting. Okay, ice cube convert to water. Ice cube convert to water. This process is called melting. This is example. Okay, next one. Explain about activity 11. Okay, 11th question. Explain the process of melting. Okay, explain the process of melting. This is question. Take a beaker. Take a beaker. This is beaker. Okay, after that, take small ice cubes. Small ice cubes. This is ice cubes. Right, ice cubes. Take small ice cubes in a beaker. Okay, after that, insert the thermometer. Insert the thermometer. This is thermometer. Thermometer into ice cubes in the beaker. Observe the reading of the thermometer. Observe the reading of the thermometer. Now start heating the beaker, keeping it on a burner. Okay. This is burner. Heat produce. Heating the beaker, keeping it on burner. Observe changes in temperature reading every 1 minute. Every 1 minute. Observe changes in thermometer reading every 1 minute till the ice get convert to water. Ice convert to water. Okay, when ice start melting, you will observe no change in temperature. Through your supply, it continue. Supplying it continue. No change in temperature. This process is called melting. Conclusion: this process takes place at a constant temperature. Okay, 0 degree Celsius or 273 Kelvin. The constant temperature 0 degree Celsius or 273 Kelvin. Temperature is called melting point. Temperature is called melting point. Process is called melting. Ice cube convert to water. This is called melting. Okay, this is activity 11. Okay, next one. What is meant by freezing? The phase change from liquid to solid is called freezing. Okay, liquid to solid is called freezing. This is definition. I am wrote the definition. See the definition. Freezing. The phase change from liquid to solid is called freezing. Okay, liquid to solid is called freezing. Change from liquid to solid is called freezing. This is definition. For example, coconut oil, liquid to solid during winter season. Okay, coconut oil is a liquid. Winter season, liquid to solid. This is first example. Second example, take a water bottle. After that, kept in a refrigerator. After 1 hour, convert to ice. Water is a liquid, ice is a solid. Liquid to solid is called freezing. This is example. Next one, explain about activity 12. Okay, question. So that water expands and freezing. So that water expands and freezing. This is question. Take a water bottle. This is water bottle. After that, with water. With water. Okay, now the small water bottle with a tight lid. Tight lid. This is lid. With water completely without any gaps. Completely with any gap, and fix the lid tightly in such way that water does not come out. Water does not come out. Now take a water bottle kept in a refrigerator for a 1 hour. For a 1 hour. Okay, after that, open the door. Open the door. See the water bottle. You will observe that this bottle breaks. This bottle breaks. Breaks. You know that the volume of the water into the bottle is equal to the volume of the bottle. Okay. Bottle is equal to the volume of the water. Okay. After that, water convert to ice. Water convert to ice. Bottle is a broken. Bottle is a broken. Bottle is a broken. Okay, this means that the volume of ice should be greater than the volume of water filled in the bottle. Okay, water expands and freezing. Water expand, freezing. This is activity 12.